This video will show you how to enter text, numbers, and dates into individual Excel cells. Excel accepts various types of data, including text, numbers, and dates, which can be entered into individual cells. Understanding these data types is crucial for building functional spreadsheets. You can input data freely across the worksheet without restrictions on placement. Mastering this process forms the foundation for performing calculations, creating charts, and using Excel's powerful functions. Let's start with how to enter text into a cell. Click on a cell you want to enter text. When you do that, the cell will show a thick green border. You can now start typing your text. You can see the green box strecthing as you start typing. Your text will also appear in the formula bar. If you prefer, you can type your text into the formula bar. When you do that, text will be displayed on the selected cell. When you click Enter after typing your text, you can move to the bottom cell. If you want to move to the cell above, right or left, just use the arrow keys on your keyboard. What if there's text in the next column? Excel will truncate the text you type if it's a long one. However, you'll see the full text on the formula bar. You'll learn how to widen a column to fit text in another lesson. Let's now move to entering figures. Basically, you'll enter numbers like you enter text. Click on any cell and enter your number. You can enter percentage, $sign, and large numbers separated by commas. What if you want to repeat a number in other columns so that you don't have to type it again? First, select the cell you want to copy the number to. Then press the Ctrl and apostrophe key. The number will be copied below. Let's now move on to entering date and time in the Excel worksheet. The date format you use depends on your location. In the United States, for example, you can use the month/day/year format, such as September 10th, 2024. The time format also depends on your location, but the general format is hour, minute, second, followed by AM or PM, such as 10, 20, and 30 seconds PM. Let's enter date and time based on the US system. You can change the date and time formats as applied to a particular location. Right-click on the cell and choose Format Cells. Under Numbers, you can choose Date or Time.
Here, you can see all the date and time formats Excel supports.
You can either choose by location or by your preferred type. That wraps up this lesson on how to enter text, numbers, and dates. Give the steps a try. We'll see you in the next video.
Simply click the link below to learn more.